Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are not going anywhere, we are going to
London!
Indeed, Mummy. And Daddy?
London town.
London. Oscar's watching.
Oscar's watching a film, aren't you, Oscar?
Yeah, I think he's okay.
There he is in the background. So we are parking at Chinatown Q Park. We parked there before, so we know what it's like. We are currently on the M1 heading southbound. You know, just get a bit of technical terms in there. So yeah, I'll see you when we are at London City. 3, 2, 1.
Baby, I know you.
Aquarium. Walking through the tunnel to get to there. You know, I do not like that at all. Yes, we got here. I haven't been filming. We've been here for quite a while, but it has been bucking it down, and I mean bucking it down. Classic English weather. We're just walking over the tunnel to get in. Oscar, Oscar, where are you? Oscar.
Here.
What did you see? Tell them.
I saw a shark. A real shark.
A real shark.
That's the point of the sea life. So as I was just saying, we've just come through to the Sea Life Centre. I've been here a few times before. It's really rainy outside. That's the classic English weather for anybody who doesn't live in the UK.
Wait. We could see animals.
We could.
I hope I see an octopus.
A what?
An octopus.
Oh,
So we're just coming through the doors now. Oh wow, and as you can see, we have arrived in the Sea Life Centre in London, and we have emerged into the experience. And we have emerged into the experience. Another capsule.
They're big goldfish, aren't they?
Wow, they're bigger than yours, Oscar.
yeah, they are.
They're redfish, aren't they? Oh, look at those down there as well. Those porcupine type things. I don't know what they call them. These are called red cardinal fish.
Red card.
Interesting.
Oh, look at that fish. Look at that.
Cool, aren't they? What is it, a batfish?
Yeah.
Got a big
Look at those
nose.
with their long noses.
They're big noses.
These ones up
They're
here.
like Pinocchio fish. Look, Oscar, that.
Look, he's looking at you.
That is
Can you see the top of this one? How big is this one here?
That is a seahorse.
That's
That's
an
a seahorse.
Atlantic wolffish. Joshua, look.
Oh, look at that
There. Rocky, sandy seafloor in the North Atlantic. Look at him going for a look. You film it. The giant pink. This one is known to get 2 feet long. This is what makes it not like the sea. I've never seen a fish that big.
So we've just gone through the first area of the aquarium, which was really fun actually. There was that huge fish. What was it called?
Dave.
Atlantic.
Thank you.
It's called the Atlantic wolffish.
I call him Dave.
So now we're in what I would say is the second section of the Sea Life Aquarium in London.
Oh, and this machine must have a wave pump in it.
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's making it all
There's that big fish.
shuffle along in a minute. Look, go to this end, Oscar, so you can see. Oh, look at that.
That's what I want to be able
Look
to do
at
when
that
I'm at
big
work.
fish. Look at big
Lay
fish.
down and all those.
See, there's one up there. There's one up there. Where's the shark?
I wonder if it's going going to. It'll wave again in a minute.
If I am correct, I think we have entered the rays section of stingrays or
You climb from the step off so you can see inside.
the rays section of the sea life aquarium. I'll get some more shots for you in a minute. Well, Oscar is frantically running over here, so I'll follow him, I guess.
Look at those.
Look at there. Stand on here, stand on here, you can see more.
You can sit down there. Oh, wow. What do you want us, Joshua, to look at? Look, he's coming at me.
Let's go.
Hi guys, this is not.
Let's go, he's head out of the water. Look.
There's another leopard over there. There's another leopard over there.
He was mean, that leopard, wasn't he?
That leopard.
Oscar, what can you see?
And look at the big stingray. That is a big stingray. Look at that stingray.
What is it? I think the ray area of the aquarium was a hit for Oscar over somewhere. I think it was a definite hit. Now on to the next sections, come to the next area of the Sea Life Centre. Here we go, we've got some longhorn cowfish. And now we're going into the next section, which is very bright and colourful. So here are some, well, just some. Here are quite a few clownfish.
A lot of Nemos there.
Yeah.
They're amazing, aren't they? They're really cool, aren't they?
Let me go out of the way there and try and find Charlie.
Nemo.
So far, I think we've been on about 5 sections, would you say?
We've done quite a few.
Quite a few.
Yeah.
I think this is more like the coral
I don't know where we are.
now.
It is. It's amazing coral reefs.
Well,
As this is like the coral section, you'll
We saw how big the Great Barrier Reef is yesterday, didn't we?
Oh yeah, we did. Yeah.
how did you see that?
On
Great
video.
Barrier Reef is like the tip of Australia, but it literally spans the whole of Europe. If it was taken over Europe,
Really?
Yeah.
we basically span from like the UK down to the bottom of Italy in length.
In that distance. Finished?
Yeah.
Ready to go somewhere now?
I don't know if I've already shown you. I might not have already shown you. But obviously the clownfish are behind us. So if you haven't seen those, you've got those coming up. And stop, please. And if you have, they are very, very, very cool. So where are we going now then?
We go somewhere else.
Let's see some more fish. Yay!
Alright, let me jump, please.
And there's
What is it?
Dory
Not you.
Who do you think the other one is? Dory and Dory's sister?
and that's that.
Wow. Oh, look, it's coming right next to us. Oh, look, Oscar. Oh, no.
You have to tell with my face. You have to tell with my face.
So We've just entered the next section of the Sea Life Centre. Very purple here. You know, I think we've got some seahorses over there. So let's go and have a look. These are quite. What are they called?
They are called striped razorfish.
Yeah, they're really weird actually. So this is the next section of the Sea Life Centre. We've just entered through this quite like foresty area, and it is the rainforest adventure section. This is what we're greeted by. Rainforest adventure. What's happened? So I am now in the rainforest immersion side. I really do not want to be eaten by the tarantulas and the snakes. No, I'm not inside a rainforest. I'm just inside the this
Rainforest
cool
section.
of the Sea Life Centre. Oh, we'll go in there in a minute, definitely. Where's my dad and my brother? Here you go. So what's in here then?
Should be a spider in there. Can't see him.
Can't see him
This
either.
one should be a snake.
Hi everyone, I'm Ranger.
Oh, there he is on the rock. Look. He's sat in the tree.
Where? Where?
He's green, running around the branch.
Where?
Can you see it?
Oh gosh.
To enter one of the most diverse environments.
There he is.
The Amazon.
He is creepy.
It is ginormous.
So here are some fish. They're horrid.
You can sit there.
They are absolutely horrid.
Why are they horrid fish?
They're horrid. Look at them. They're so tiny and they're crawling everywhere. Why would you want to be with them? Oh, whoa! I am zoomed in. Ah.
Somewhere north of the Grand Bahama Islands and west of the Devil's Triangle lies a niche underwater white sand beach named for the enormous tiger sharks they call it home. Matthew Smuggle, a marine biologist, is joined by freediver Mike Davis.
How's it feel, Joshua?
They hope to use VR
What can you
technology
see?
to study the
I can see. I'm in the sea. I'm in the sea.
Looks like you're getting wet.
You returned from the ocean.
Oh, that was so cool. Oh, you're filming? Oh, that was. It was really immersive, obviously. That's so cool.
So what did you see?
Sharks. That was the whole point. I saw sharks.
All different types of sharks?
Yeah, and then they attached a GoPro Max onto his fin, and so you could walk around. It was really cool.
Scary.
No, not really. You would have found it. Yeah.
Right, ready?
Let's go. So, sorry, it's really cold in here. We are now in the tunnel in Antarctica. We're about to see some penguins, which sounds quite fun. So where are we planning to go later?
We're going to go to Harrods.
Yes.
Yeah, have a look around.
As you go through the iceberg.
That's cool. Did you get that?
I don't know.
There's like an Oscar there.
Oh yeah, here they are. Hello, Mummy and Oscar. Hello, you're right.
That was cool, wasn't it? Once you all dive in.
Yeah, they keep going back up to there and then they...
Having a little swim, Oski.
Yeah, sure. You forgot. We were here at the penguin.
We're here with the penguins, aren't we?
Look, they jump out. They can't jump out
They
the
jump
water.
out and then...
Yeah, they swim from that tank to this tank.
That's right, they do. He's going to jump in.
There's a pier.
Here they go. Did you touch the
No,
I can't get you on it.
Right.
Wait a
minute.
Guys, keep moving around the enclosure. That would be great. Thank you. There are more penguins to see as you walk round.
Fast, aren't they?
Oh, they're rapid.
Whoa, this one
Look, Joshua. They're with us.
And following up, you have our sharks again, and our lovely jellyfish.
we're gonna go and see some more penguins now.
If you want to walk around, that would be great.
Come on, let's go see them. From one extreme to the next, we were in freezing cold, and now we are in boiling hot weather. Oscar, it's hot in here, isn't it?
I think it's like Australia.
That's Christmas house. That's Christmas house.
Oh, yeah.
here's some fish.
Yes. And then the husband was out.
It is.
We're now going on to a purple section. Let's go. Let's go to this purple section, Daddy. Ooh.
Oh, it's nice and cool.
Oh. This is all about jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Definitely some in Salcombe, isn't there?
See what I mean? The Sea Life Centre are not gonna lie. I have been very close to one. See why I'm scared?
There are definitely less
That is Salcombe.
Joshua.
Oh look, so that's a moderate sting.
Yeah, but they're in Salcombe.
Oh look, dangerous sting in Mexico.
Oh dear, we've got to be careful then.
Tell Joshua, show Joshua where Salcombe is.
There, yes!
Moderate sting.
Look at these. They're quite cool.
Changing colour.
Here's some more. I think this is just a projection. Yeah. Is our visit done of the Sea Life Centre today? Out of 10, Oscar, how many would you give it?
1,000.
1,000. So I think it was a great hit for our family. And
All right, is it raining?
let's adventure out. I think we're going to go to Harrods now. Because I'm really excited to go to Harrods. Okay, everybody, it's me again. Now, other than that, for some reason, the footage did not come out at the end of the day. We went to Harrods. I love going in the tech section. It was incredible. Oscar made his a little purchase at Harrods. He got this Lego set from there. Then what else did we do? Oh yeah, then we went to the Old Dutch, which is a pancake place in London. And can I just say, they have done the best pancakes I have ever had. Well, let me say something. Let me just take my word. Go there. They are incredible. Okay. Then we went to a hotel. We stayed in a Premier Inn. I was going to do a room tour, but again, it didn't work. So that's really weird. So I will see you in my next video where it is London day 2. Okay, 3, 2, 1, cue the outro. Bye.